Hello, guys, and welcome to the Indian English Podcast. If you are learning English and want to speak better, this episode is for you. Many people understand English. They can read, they can listen, but when it's time to speak, they feel nervous. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. Learning English is not about being perfect, it is about being confident. Today, let's talk about how you can improve your English step by step, without fear. First, let's talk about a common problem. Most learners think they must speak perfect English, perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect sentences. This thinking creates fear. You start worrying about mistakes, you start thinking too much, and then you stay silent. But here is the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. You cannot improve without making mistakes. Children learn languages by speaking badly first. Slowly, they improve. You should do the same. So the first rule is simple. Speak even when you are not confident. Start with small sentences. For example, I am learning English. I like listening to podcasts. I want to improve my speaking. Simple sentences are powerful. Next, let's talk about daily practice. Many people study English only on weekends or only when they feel motivated. This does not work. Learning English needs consistency. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Try this daily routine. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Speak English for 5 minutes. That's it. You can listen to podcasts, short videos or news, then repeat what you hear. This helps your pronunciation and confidence. Now, let's talk about thinking in English. Most learners translate from their mother tongue. This makes speaking slow. Instead, try to think in English. You can start very simply. When you wake up, say in your mind, "Good morning, today is a new day." When you're eating food, say, "I am having breakfast. This food is tasty." When you are walking, say, "I am going to work. The weather is nice." This small habit trains your brain. Slowly, English becomes natural. Another important tip is listening carefully. Listening improves speaking. Pay attention to how words sound. Notice the pauses. Notice the stress. You don't need to copy an accent. Just speak clearly and slowly. Clarity is more important than accent. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. You don't wait to feel confident, you speak and confidence follows. Every sentence you speak builds confidence, even if you make mistakes. Remember, people understand you more than you think. Finally, use tools to help you. Record your voice, listen to it, improve slowly. Use apps, use podcasts, use AI voices to practice pronunciation. But don't wait for perfect tools. The best tool is your daily effort. Let me remind you of something important. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Speak a little every day, listen a little every day, make mistakes, learn from them. If you stay consistent, improvement is guaranteed. Before we end, here is a small challenge for you. After this podcast ends, speak 1 full minute in English about your day, about your goals, about anything. No stopping, no correcting, just speak. That 1 minute matters. Thank you for listening to this episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next podcast.